Hey creators, let's talk about YouTube Shorts, a new way for you to watch, discover, and create short content using nothing but your phone. I'll walk you through what Shorts are, how to get started with Shorts, and some best practices for using them. Let's dive in. First, what are Shorts? Shorts are a new video experience that let you watch and create short, catchy videos right from your phone. They're vertical videos 60 seconds or less, and provide an easy, lightweight way to create. Plus, they connect you to YouTube's 2 billion users, giving them a new customized viewing experience of endless laughs, learning, music discovery, and more. Whether you've been creating for years or just getting started, you can instantly reach and entertain new audiences with our Shorts creation tools, which let you capture and edit videos on YouTube right from your phone. Or you can upload Shorts by following the standard upload flow on mobile, desktop, or your preferred device. If you create Shorts using our Shorts creation tools, you can use our multi-segment camera to string multiple video clips together. You can add a song or sample audio from other Shorts or eligible YouTube videos. You can add text after and control when it appears and disappears. Control the speed of your video, and much, much more. Viewers can find Shorts by going into the dedicated Shorts tab. They can also discover them on the YouTube homepage, in their subscriptions, on your channel homepage with the Shorts featured section, and more. Shorts will have their own viewing experience separate from regular videos, and once viewers click into a short, they can scroll through to watch and enjoy more. Now that you know what Shorts are, why should you use them? People are watching more and more Shorts around the globe. The YouTube Shorts player has now surpassed 6.5 billion daily views globally. With its own separate viewing experience, think of it as an additional way for you to create and reach new audiences who've maybe never seen your content before. Shorts shouldn't have any major impact on the performance of your regular YouTube videos, and we're keeping your subscribers in mind. So we'll only send Shorts notifications to subscribers who regularly watch Shorts content. Now let's walk through how to create a short. To get started, tap the Create button, then tap Create a Short. If you want to add a song to record to, tap Add Music to view a selection of tracks you can choose for free. To record a clip, press and hold the Capture button or tap it to start recording, and then again to stop. You can tap Undo to remove the previous video clip you recorded, or tap Redo to add it back. Tap Speed to change your recording speed, and tap Timer to choose the length of your countdown that shows before you start recording, and to choose where your recording stops. Align lets you match up the clip you're about to record with the previous clip. You can also add filters to your short. Once you're done, tap Next to preview your short. Here, you can add music if you haven't already, or text to your completed short. When you add music, you can adjust what part of the song you want to play and its volume. When you add text, you can use Timeline to add multiple text snippets and control when text appears and disappears. Once you're happy with your short, tap Next to add details like title and visibility. We recommend adding #Shorts in your title to help with discovery. In addition to making something from scratch, we've made it easier for you to make your own version of someone's video that inspired you. So you can also create shorts using someone else's original audio. To do this, from an eligible video, tap the music icon, then tap Use this sound to create a short. Or you can go to a video's watch page and under the video player, tap Create to create a short. Keep in mind that if you choose to use audio from someone else's video, the owner may delete their original content at any time. When this happens, any shorts that used the audio will be muted, set to unlisted, and will be scheduled to delete in 30 days. But don't worry, we'll email you a reminder before your short is deleted, so you can download a version that doesn't include the audio. Outside of this creation process, remember that you also can upload any vertical video 60 seconds or less using YouTube's regular upload process. Finally, let's walk through some best practices for using Shorts. Any content category can be successful on Shorts, but here are some short-form best practices that can help. Focus on making the first few seconds captivating to grab viewers' attention, and keep your content snappy. Remember that shorts loop, so pace your content accordingly and think of ways you can encourage replayability. Try making your content relevant by incorporating a trending moment, event, or song. Relatable by using your authentic voice or showing a behind-the-scenes moment. Or rewarding by making content that educates or entertains or leaves your viewers feeling good. You can also get inspired by the YouTube Shorts community by checking out our pivot pages for other channels, specific audio tracks, or hashtags. You can post shorts on your main channel or start a second channel. Should you decide to keep your shorts on main, the shorts section on your channel homepage can make it easier for your viewers to distinguish between shorts and your regular long-form videos. Be sure to give shorts a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And for even more info, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching!